Here we come to the elevator at the Old Main. This is the modern elevator that was just put in. This one is pretty new from the early 2020s.
Those EPCO fixtures.
Yep. GL interlock installed with has Adam's fixtures / EPCO. We go down to the first floor. A little bit of plastic leveling. Let's go up to 2 and we'll listen to the motor. The door closes but does not work. Here we go.
Motor sounds good, but the fan is in the way.
Let's take another ride. I want to get a video of that leveling again. Watch this, Jordan. Here we go down to the. You're gonna see it in just a second.
Here we are.
Yep, classic leveling. Let's go up to 2.
Nothing on the upride.
A little bit. Anyways, that's it.